The EV market has seen a huge upsurge, and most of the motor manufacturing big shots have extended their interest in investing in electric vehicles. The Indian EV market shall touch 150 billion by 2030. The government is trying everything from tax cuts to manufacturing incentives in the automobile sector to kickstarting an EV revolution in the country. Hello everyone, I am Shweta Nair from Channel IAM. Today I shall bring to you the latest and trending news regarding the automobile industry in the segment. Suzuki Motors invests 10,440 crores to produce electric vehicles, EVs and batteries. They are planning on a 3-year launch. Suzuki has maintained a sense of stoic silence against EV for past years, even though they are the largest manufacturers of cars in India. The compound annual growth rate of the electric market is estimated to rise at 43.13%. Tata Motor rules the current Indian EV market. They control 75% of India's car market. But there could be a change to this pattern with the heavy investments and the 3-year launch plans that Suzuki has in store. Suzuki Motor Corporation's wholly owned company Suzuki Motor Gujarat Private Limited (SMG) will invest Rs 7,300 crore for the construction of a battery plant near SMG's automobile manufacturing unit by 2026. Another Rs 3,100 crore for ramping up production capacity for electric vehicles by 2025. The company is expected to launch its first electric vehicle by 2025. This would provide a well-required acceleration as Maruti Suzuki witnessed a change in the market share. Their shares have dipped from 50 to 43% in the past year. Other motors like KIA and Tata have seen a significant rise in their share market value. The Indian government has launched plans to roll out a production-linked incentive scheme that proposes financial incentives to boost domestic manufacturing of advanced automotive technology (AAT) products and attract investments in the automotive manufacturing value chain. The scheme has a budgetary outlay of Rs 25,938 crores. Suzuki's next mission is to go carbon neutral EV with their small car range. Tata Motors, who have already set up a subsidiary for the EV range, will invest $2 billion over the next 5 years. The new company, Tata Motor, believes will leverage all the existing investments and capabilities of the parent company in addition to channelizing all the future investments into electric vehicles and dedicated battery vehicle platforms and technologies, among others. Over the next 5 years, the company will also create a portfolio of 10 EVs while also partnering with Tata Power to create changing infrastructure to help with early adoption, hoping that the mighty and powerful car manufacturers bring forth a sustainable and economical EV suitable for the Indian market. That is all for today. Stay tuned with Channel IAM for news with the difference. Do like and subscribe to our channel till we meet again with yet another informative news. Thank you.